Hello student, now the next topic, geometrical isomerism, isomers in. The first one is cycloalkane, the second one is cycloalkenes, the third one is allenes, the fourth one is pyro, and the last one is biphenyl. Okay, we will discuss about these 5 topics. Okay, so now first you check कि geometrical isomerism, you know there is a restricted rotation in pi bond. Okay, so you know very well. Suppose this is a structure of trans, and this is a structure of cis. You know the same group is there on same side. It means this is a cis and this is trans. So you know very well the distance, the electron density of these group and these group is different. You know very well x is not equals to y. It means areal distance is different. Space arrangement is always different. It means y is greater than x. So that's mean this is a cis and that is trans. So this is a simple example, but this is not a cycloalkane. The first example, cycloalkane. You know cycloalkane, the carbon have sp3 hybridization because 4 sigma bond is there. So just you check, this is a cyclopropane, and now there is a substituent CH3 and this carbon contain one hydrogen and one CH3. So just check, this carbon have sp3 hybridization, 4 sigma bond, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. This is also a single bond, but this is a wedge line, WEDGE, and this is a dash line. Wedge line means front side, and dash line means back side. Suppose this is a front line, and this is a back. Okay, clear? Back side. Clear all of you? Front side means front side of this notebook. Okay, and back side, back notebook. Okay, clear? 100% clear? Okay. So just check, this is a sp3 hybridization. So just check, hydrogen on same side and CH3 on same side. Now this is a x distance and this is a y. You know very well y is always greater than x. So this is a same side, it means same side, this means cis, and opposite side, this means trans. Okay, so just check, suppose both CH3 on wedge line. Okay, both CH3 on wedge line, both CH3 on your side, and both hydrogen on back side. Okay, so now in this case, one CH3 in front side and one CH3 in back side. So definitely the distance of x and y is different. Definitely space arrangement always different. It means y is always greater than x. So this is cis and this is trans. So just you write from this method. This means front side, this means back side. This means front side, this means back side. So just you write on single solid line. Okay, so now suppose CH3 on same side, it means cis. CH3 on opposite side, it means trans. Okay, clear? 100%. Now the next example of cycloalkane, 1,2 dimethyl cyclobutane. So this example shows geometrical isomerism. Just check, so 1 2 dimethyl, so both CH3 on same side, it means this is cis. Both CH3 on opposite side, it means trans. Same for 1,3 dimethyl cyclobutane. So CH3 on same side, it means cis. HS same side, it means cis. CH3 on opposite side, it means trans. So you know very well, this is a distance of x and this is a distance of y. It means definitely y is greater than x. Same for this example. Okay, same for this example. Suppose 1, 2, there is a 2 CH3 group and there is a 1, so it means this is a cis. Definitely this is cis. But you change on this side, definitely again same group is there. So this is x and this is also x. This is not y. Y means this. The same CH3 is also there. Na? The same group is there. It means cis. Same group is also there. This is also cis. It means no transformation is there. So this type of example does not show geometrical isomerism. So now there is a not possible. 1, 2 dichlorocyclohexane. Just you check, ClCl on same side, it means cis. ClCl on opposite side, it means trans. Same for this 1,3 dichlorocyclohexane. ClCl on same side, ClCl on different side. Same for 1,4 dichlorocyclohexane, ClCl on same side, it means cis. ClCl, yeah, hydrogen on same side, it means cis. And ClCl or hydrogen on different side, it means trans. Okay, now this is a very important example. Okay, now just check. This carbon have sp2 hybridization. Just check. 1 sigma bond. You know very well hybridization only basis of sigma bond, not for pi bond. So 1 pi bond, only 3 single bond is there. So 3 sigma, it means sp2. sp2, the definitely 2 hydrogen on same side. So this type of compound does not show geometrical isomerism. Clear 100%? Okay, now check this formula. Okay. So now in the case of this, just you check. In the case of this, there is a cyclic structure. Yeah, there is a cyclic structure. Clear 100%? And now there is a CS3 substituent is there. Now there is a double bond C, and one side is H and one side is CS3. Clear? This type of example does not show cis and trans. So देखो, just you check. One side is hydrogen and one side is CS3. So you know very well the atomic mass of this is higher and the second is lower. Okay, clear? Now in the case of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it means both side of same group is there. So this is 1, 2, same side is there. So this is 1 and there is a 2. It means same CS3 on same side. Just you check. There is a carbon and that side is CS2, that side is CS2. Clear? So both side is same. It means same group is there or opposite group is there. It means this is show what? Z isomer. Clear? 100% clear? Okay. Okay. 100%. And now what is a stereo center? Stereo center means what? If the compound show geometrical isomerism, so this double bond show stereo center. Stereo center means कि in the carbon show geometrical isomerism on that part, that point. It means this is a stereo center. So how many stereo centers there? Stereo center is 1. Clear? Okay. Now in the case of cycloalkenes, clear? So this is a part of cycloalkane. Now cycloalkene is there. So just you check. You know very well कि double bond, pi bond, restricted rotation is there. So you know. देखो, suppose you have carbon double bond is there. So one side is hydrogen, one side, so the same group is there and same side is there. It means cis. So you know there is a you know very well कि trans not possible, thermodynamically not possible. Why? There is a double bond. It means no rotation is there. No rotation is there. So how to possible hydrogen from this side to this side? It means there is only cis possible, not trans possible. If cis is possible, trans is not possible, it means geometrical isomerism do not show. Okay, so now cycloalkene do not show GI if carbon is equals to 7 or less than 7. If carbon is equals to 7 or less than 7, so there is no GI. Okay, clear? Now cis possible but trans not possible. देखो, in the case CS3 on same side, hydrogen same side, cis possible. But you know there is a double bond restriction, no rotation is there. So how to possible of this hydrogen to that side and this CS3 to that side? Okay, clear? Clear 100%? Okay. Now in the case same again this example. So on changing position, cis is possible, trans is not possible. So carbon is equals to less than 7. This type of example does not show geometrical isomerism. Clear? Now, cycloalkene show geometrical isomerism if you have C is equals to 8 or greater than 8. Okay, now check. In this case, H on same side cis. Very good. And now in this case, just you check carbon double bond. Top side different group, down side different group. Top side different group, it means hydrogen on down side. Clear? देखो, this side is CS2 this group and down side is hydrogen. Yeah, down side is hydrogen is there. It means this is what? Trans. Just you like E or Z configuration. Suppose both side of same group and both side of same group, this is Z isomer. And you know very well, suppose you change double bond from this side, because rotation is double bond rotation is also there if carbon is equals to 8 or greater than 8. So now you shift double bond on this side. Okay, so now this side is, so top side देखो, just you check carbon carbon double bond is there, and top side is group and down side is hydrogen. Now there is a top side is down side is group and top side is hydrogen, so there is also possible. Clear? Okay, now just check, this is also cycloalkene example. Now you check in this case, okay, now there is a carbon, so 1 2 3 and 1 hydrogen is also there. So 1 hydrogen, it means there is also hydrogen, 1 hydrogen is there, 1 hydrogen is also there. So 2 hydrogen on same side, it means what? Definitely cis. And downside there is a rotation, because there is no double bond, so it means it is easily rotate. So hydrogen on same side, it means cis, and opposite side it means trans. Clear? देखो cis and trans. Clear? This is an example of this. So now how many stereo center is there? Stereo center is 1. Why? Ring is show, ring show, not double bond. Ring show stereoisomerism. In the case of ring, not double bond does not show stereo center. Okay, now in the case of this, देखो, now there is a carbon carbon double bond. So downside is CS3 and top side is whole group. Downside is hydrogen and top side is whole group. So you know this is show E or Z. So just you check E or Z. Okay. Now same for this. CC double bond, downside is hydrogen, and top side is big group. Downside is small group hydrogen, downside is small group hydrogen. So both side of same hydrogen, it means what? Z isomer. And there is a 2 stereo center. Why? There is a 2. Just you check. First is this. This is a double bond, so this compound show. This is the first stereo center, and now this is also. Now just you check. Okay. This carbon show 1 CS3 and 1 hydrogen, and this carbon also show 1 hydrogen and CS. So HH on opposite direction, it means trans, and HH on same direction, it means cis. Same for this. Clear? 100% clear? The stereo center means what? If the compound show geometrical isomerism, how many geometrical isomerism on this structure? So first is double bond, this double bond. One side is hydrogen, and top side is big group. It means what? Z isomer. And now check this group. So the first is stereo center is double bond, and the second is this ring, not this part, ring. Okay, clear? Same for this. Okay. Now the next one is what? Allenes. Allenes means diene. If the conjugative double bond is there, it means diene. So now just you check double bond. This is a called conjugative double bond is there. So now you know very well, this is sp2, this is sp, this is sp2. So just you check. It's very important example of allenes. So now this is what? If you check this CS3 on this CS3, this CS3 to this CS3, it means X, the same CS3 is there. Now just you change CS3 on this side and hydrogen on this side. Okay, just you change. Clear? So now this is what? This is also X, because there is no distance change. In the case of allenes, in the case of cycloalkane, there is X and Y distance is there, but in this case CS3 on same direction on downside, and top side is also same direction. It means X is equals to Y. This is only possible in allenes. So it means allene does not show geometrical isomerism. So just you learned that कि allenes conjugative double bond does not can't show geometrical isomerism. Okay, now the very important example is spiro. You know, in nomenclature and IUPAC system, one carbon attached with 2 ring, है ना? So this is a spiro. So just you check. First you consider कि this first cyclic group is XY plane. This is only for 3D image. this is XY plane and the second one is YZ plane. So XY and YZ plane is there. XY means this plane. This is at bottom plane of paper and what? देखो just check in my hand. This is what? This is what? Plane, and this is what? Perpendicular. This is what? Perpendicular on this paper. So now this is a plane XY and YZ is perpendicular. So if even ring is there, if even means, you know very well, if even ring is there, it means no GI. Just you learn, if even ring is there, there is no GI. If the group is also there, if even ring is there, there is no GI. But in odd ring is there, definitely GI is there. Clear? Definitely this is cis, and just change H or CS3, this is trans. Okay, clear? So now there's a rule. Even ring is there, geometrical isomerism not possible. Odd ring is there, it means geometrical isomerism possible. Now the last topic of this part, biphenyl. So you know this is a two ring means biphenyl group. So suppose you have two CS3 on same side, suppose you have two hydrogen on same side. So this is XY plane, this is also XY plane. XY plane, same plane is there. It means there is, you know very well, there is a maximum repulsion, bulkier group is there. So biphenyl compound, biphenyl and allenes do not show geometrical isomerism. Clear? 100%? Clear? So just you learn biphenyl and biphenyl and allenes group does not show geometrical isomerism. Okay, clear? Okay, student. The next topic, in my next video, there is a finding number of GI. Okay, suppose you have a problem in stereo center, then message me or call me. Okay, clear?